Who they be calling 8 months? 8 months. You be eating everything inside 8 months. They be snacking.
Forms are drawn to positive thought forms. Those vacant thought forms that were never acted upon are out there as well, clustering together with like thought.
So check it out, guys. This is what I'm doing today, making some waffles, and also I'm making a you'll see how I make a egg substitute. So for people that's vegan, they could check this out and see how I make it. So this is just the flour right here, garbanzo bean flour or chickpeas flour.
It is all interrelated. It is cleanup time, my divine light beacons. It is time to bring in the golden light of transmutation and clear away the debris. It is time to also bring in the silver violet flame of cleansing as well. All stagnant and clustered energy needs to be released into the gold so that it can be requalified and reused for positive change. Energy also has vibrational levels, and each of those levels will feel differently to one that is sensitive to the variation. This is a remembrance event, my beloveds. Once you decide to bring this evaluation ability back into your present moment awareness, it will serve as this messenger has invited all of your angels, guides, and spiritual family to gather around you now as you read these words. They bring to you the highest of vibrations so that you can begin to distinguish the various differences and feelings.
I do two different ones because this is gonna be, I'm gonna put something different in here, not just water. I'm gonna put the mix that's gonna make the make it fluffy like how an egg would be, similar to it. So and this is just for the waffles, so this is just water and flour.
This is what is needed within these moments and now. Until you understand the connection of energy, you will not understand how to begin creating your own positive energy areas. With your permission, this messenger will take you on a meditative journey where you will have the opportunity to practice clearing energy in a positive way. You are standing on the playground and another child comes up and pushes you away from the swing. All of a sudden, as you, the child in this moment, begins to process this event mentally, the first thought that has crossed your mind is fear. This child is much larger than you. As you watch this action on the screen in front of you, you notice that the bubble you are seeing float from your crown chakra is light black. The next bubble you see emerge is jet black as you revert from fear to anger towards this larger child. The scene on the screen leads and your angel asks to see what you saw through your special glasses. You describe that as you think you saw a pink bubble. As you felt fear, you saw a light black bubble, and then you saw jet black bubble as you felt anger. The angels confirm this and congratulate you on your perceptions. The angels tell you at this time they would like for you to practice transmuting those negative thought energy bubbles that you just identified from your past. First, they have you close your eyes. They tell you that you are going to be using your third eye with this exercise.
So that's the waffles right there.
You are going to generate a white and clear protective cloud within the space where you are sitting. All you have to do, the angels tell you, time to shoot a stream of golden light.
And this is it here. So okra, and put it in the blender with a little bit of water, and then make a puree, basically. The juice, just make the juice, see a thick juice, and that'll be like how. That's what's gonna make the flour fluffy. So like turn it into basically like how an egg would be.
You want to try this technique as well. You mentally go back to that scene, and as the light black bubble emerges, you pick it up with your hand and pass it to your angel. As your angel takes it, the light black bubble vaporizes with a poof back into positive energy. Your angels tell you that you can transmute any energy of your own making with the golden ray. The angels tell you that negative thought forms by others are their responsibility to clear, but should you decide to work with this negative energy, you will need to use a pink ray. The pink light or light ray of the angels will not violate the other person's free will, nor can a pink ray be used or be requalified into any other energy form.
So this is it, just mix it up just like you would do an egg, and then we're gonna fry it. So adding I add some tomatoes in there, add in a little onion. This is onion and kale. A little vegetable mix. So there you go, this egg substitute, guys. Ready to start frying. Put the oil in the pot and we are ready to go. Let the oil get a little bit hotter and then it's time to pour it in.
Lay it down. 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 Lay it down.
So I'm gonna scramble it. See, and that's all it is, just scrambled eggs. Egg substitute, baby. As easy as that. Just scramble it just like you would do a regular egg, because that's basically, it's just a egg substitute. So for all the vegans out there, here you go. Sending you a lot of unconditional love and light energy, love and peace. Take that, take that, take that, take that. I'm sending you all unconditional love and peace. So, see how that's looking? Sweet, right? So, yeah. Turn the stove down, you know, so it don't burn, and that's basically it. I'm gonna do it like that until I get it to the kind of consistency I want it, and then yeah, that's it. So stay tuned. You guys will see when I'm done with the waffle still going. Let's check it out. See how that's looking. It's coming nicely. Might be done. And yeah, stay tuned. Perfect waffle, ready to go. So there you have it, guys. Scrambled eggs, well, egg substitute. So you could call them vegan eggs. waffles, slice of avocado, and got your syrup right here. Got the agave syrup. Got your knife to slice it up. Got your fork, and yeah, good to go, ready to eat. So yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Comment below. Follow me on Instagram right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy your day. And I'm sending you tons of unconditional love and light and peace energy. Take that to all of y'all. Oh man, perfect. See y'all in the next one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a rain on a red stripe belly. Red stripe belly? Me no want no red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Y'all them no want no red stripe belly. Tell them so much so coulda never be one. Carol them in. Use a mama man. Girl a face nothing out my pattern. Look like a fool. Nothing in a fashion. Look down there. Can't see your body. Belly like you feel no things get cloudy. Red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Me no want no red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Red stripe belly. Don't lie. Talk about people like that.
Made it, oh made it, made